Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into download mode. Now for this we will need a cable that is plugged into our computer. So I have one right here prepared for this. It's connected right away. You should hear a little bit of a sound from my computer when I connect it. There we go. It also gives us a pop-up, and just completely ignore it. It does not matter if computer has access to the device or not. So from here, let's pull down our notifications from the top. Do that once more. Select the power button, and you want to select restart. Press on it again. You will see Samsung, and once it disappears, you want to hold the volume up and down. So both of the volume keys. This should take us to the download mode. Now before it does, it will bring us to this warning page. I will turn off the light right now just so you can see this a little bit better, because this is really dim. So there we go. So now you can see it a little bit better. As you can see, warning, custom OS can cause whatever. Bootloader here is locked anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But it tells us to press volume up anyway. So that's what I'm gonna do. And we are now in download mode. So that is how you boot into it. Now to leave this mode, as you can see, we have a little rating right here. So hold volume down plus side key, aka power key, for more than 7 seconds to leave this place. So I'm gonna do that right now. Volume down, there we go. And the device should turn back on its own. And also we can unplug the cable. And we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.